My name is Preeti Sahu. I have completed my Bachelor's of Technology from Graphic Era University, Dehradun, and it was done in the year 2014 from stream Information Technology. So, are you all interested in listening a story from me? Yes? Okay, so let's start with the story. The title of the story is A Crow and Swans. Okay, once upon a time, there was a jungle. The jungle was very beautiful. It was full of flowers, trees, birds, animals, reptiles, snakes, ants. Variety of creatures were there. And they all used to live very happily in that jungle. And everyone was harmonized with each other. No one used to fight or disturb anyone. And everyone was happy with one another. So what happened? It was a summer time, and in that summer time everyone will feel thirsty. They want to have water and all these things. So there was a crow. He was very thirsty in that summer, so he was searching for water all in that jungle, but he didn't found any water. So flying, he found a pond, and he was very happy to see the pond. Oh my god, he found a pond. He just went to the pond, and without seeing anything, without looking here and there, he started drinking water from the pond. Then what happened? Suddenly the swans who were staying in that pond, they all started staring at him. Oh my god, they started talking to each other. Look at him, he's so ugly, and he's drinking water from this pond. We are so beautiful, we are so white, we are so scintillating. How can this ugly crow come and drink water from our place? Then the crow was busy drinking water. Then one of the swans, he just came out from the group and he told, "Hey, you ugly crow, how dare you come to this pond and just drink water from our pond? Can't you see it is the pond of such beautiful creatures like swans? How dare you to come here and drink water?" The crow was very nervous. He stopped drinking water and he started looking at them very innocently. All the swans started giggling and laughing with each other. Then another swan said, "You crow, if next time you come to this pond, just remind yourself, you don't have to come to this pond again, because it is our pond, and you, people like you, ugly crows, cannot drink water from it. Just get lost." The crow was very upset. He was very upset. Then he just went to his home and he started crying in front of his mother. He told to his mother, "Mother, today I went to a pond and there were so many swans. They just started laughing and making fun of me. They all were making fun of me." The mother just wiped his son's tears, and told, "Oh, you are so brave, my son. Don't cry over such small little things. These things should not make you upset. Remember one thing, if anyone makes you upset or makes fun of you, you should start laughing at them and say, oh, just start laughing and just feel as if they are making fun of some other person. Then what will happen? They will stop laughing at you." The crow was very happy after listening to this thing. He slept at that night, and again next day he went again to the pond. Then again the swans started laughing at him. They told, "How dare you came here? We told you, no, that you don't have to come here." Then the crow started laughing. And all the swans thought, "We are making fun of him, and look at him, he is laughing." Then slowly all the swans stopped laughing at him. The crow was happily drinking the water and he flew away. Next day he came, he again drank water from that pond, but no one laughed at him after that. So the moral of the story is, if anyone is making fun of you, then you don't have to get upset. Just laugh at them as if they are making of some other person. They're making fun of some other person. Then they will stop laughing at you. Okay? Thank you. Thank you. Bye.